You're welcome to this course of intensive banking and finance. Now, this course is career oriented, interactive course content which is designed and updated as per the industry requirements to give you a professional recognition in banking and finance sector. But why banking and finance? Now, banking is the backbone of a nation's economy. There are numerous banking jobs available, especially after the new banking licenses given by RBI, small payment banks, etc. The sector may create up to 20 lakh new banking jobs in the next 5 to 10 years. There will be a growing demand for qualified manpower for the banking and finance sector. And I'm sure you would definitely want to grab that opportunity. Now, banking and finance industry will require professionally qualified manpower. Now, this is very important. Professionally qualified manpower who will have finance knowledge and skills together with technology awareness, customer orientation, and hands-on application skills. This will be the major criteria for selection. Now, in view of the huge current as well as potential demand for the professionally qualified manpower of the banking and finance sector, it is imperative for you to develop and learn those skills. This course will give you knowledge inputs as well as expose you to the operational process in modern banking environment. This is one of the most comprehensive and intensive course on banking. Let me tell you, every week you're going to get video updates, and the course content which you have available right now is something which will be upgraded and updated. This course will cover a lot of aspects which I'm sure which will help you to explore and make your career in banking and finance a prosperous career. It's an online blended learning program for graduates and for people who are already employed in the banking industry, which will prepare you in the field of banking, financial service, capital market, fintech, and regulatory bodies, and many more. It has been specially designed to transform the fresh graduates into confident banking and finance professionals. The banking sector is a vast and varied one, from loans to investment, from insurance to mutual fund, from stocks to wealth management. Banking and finance industry is growing every day. Now, 5 changes that will disrupt the Indian banking sector in 2020 and in the coming decades, which I'm sure you all must be aware of already. Payment banks, artificial intelligence, blockchain, technology, cybersecurity, and increased use of robotic process automation. Now, these are the things which you not only need to be aware of, but also need to know at least how these things work. Now, what are the benefits of this course? Now, this course has been specifically designed to transform you into a confident banking and finance professional. It will prepare you in the fields across banking, financial services, capital market, fintech, regulatory bodies, and many more. This course is innovative, comprehensive, and prepares you for future banking and finance. This program not only gives you the knowledge but will also help you get the practical operational skills. There is an emphasis on contemporary practices such as microfinance and global perspective in banking and finance. Complexity and increased number of challenges in the global banking and economy will definitely require you to be updated on the latest happening in this sector. Now, what are some of the key highlights of this course? Now, impart banking and financial knowledge and skills together with technology, familiarity, and customer orientation. This course has been prepared specifically to develop these skills and gain the knowledge. The students undertaking this course will have comprehensive and up-to-date knowledge in subject of banking and finance. It will offer practical insight into the subject. It will make your job It will make you job ready. The course is so designed that most employers would value your talent, your knowledge, and your skills. Now, who should pursue this course? Now, this is a very common question which students normally ask. Now, this course is for all the people who want to make a difference in their career, who want to make sure that they are growing in the organization they are working with. So, if you're pursuing graduation, you're already a postgraduate, you're willing to start your career in bank, you're a working professional seeking to further promotions, you have an ambitious plan to explore the banking and finance industry, this course is for you. There are numerous career opportunities: banking officer, bank manager, private and foreign banks, financial analyst, planner, portfolio manager, treasurer, controller. There are a lot of opportunities in the banking and finance industry which I'm sure you would like to grab with both your hands. Now, why you should take this course? This course is career oriented. This course will give you a start. This involves interactive teaching. The curriculum is designed and updated as per industry requirement. And this course also prepares you widely for popular exams like exams conducted by IIBF. Now, what are you going to learn? As I have already told you, this course is going to cover a lot of aspects, and you are going to get weekly updates on all these topics. Basics of banking and finance, principles and practices of banking, bank finance management, advanced bank management, legal and regulatory aspects of banking, accounting and finance, corporate banking, international retail, risk management, treasury management, central banking, prevention of cybercrime and fraud management, IT security, international trade finance, anti-money laundering and KYC, digital banking, ethics in banking, financial services. Now, these are the things which you are going to learn in this course. Your path to a glorious career in banking finance can start from this course, and I'm sure you would definitely want to have a great start. Thank you.